Ever had hiccups that just won't stop? Here's what's actually happening in your body. A hiccup starts when your diaphragm suddenly squeezes. That's the big muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. When it squeezes too quickly, your vocal cords snap shut. That snap is what makes the hic sound. It can happen when you eat too fast, drink soda, or even laugh too hard. Sometimes it's your body's way of resetting after irritation. Most hiccups go away on their own in minutes, but if they last for days, that could be serious. Now you know why your body makes that funny hic noise. Subscribe for more quick health tips.